I forgot about recording this, so I have to do this once again. I'm terribly sorry. Let's watch tutorial once again.
What is startup mining? Startup mining is a platform where users can stake their assets or provide liquidity to earn rewards in new project tokens. Users can lock specified tokens in the startup mining pool to receive corresponding project token rewards. How can I participate in startup mining with Gate.io app? Log into your Gate.io account and complete KYC to verification. Click Earn Mining. Choose the project and staking pool. Check the pool information. Click Stake, input your desired staking amount, and click Confirm, then input your fund password. How can I participate in startup mining on Gate.io web? Log into your Gate.io account and complete KYC to verification. Click Startup Mining. Choose the project and staking pool. Check the pool information. Click Stake, input your desired staking amount, and click Confirm, then input your fund password. You can check your mining rewards on Reward History, and your staking rewards will be distributed into your spot accounts. In addition, you can redeem your staked assets at any time after the staking ends, or if you redeem your asset in advance, the staked assets will be transferred to Simple Earn by default. You can uncheck this option and the staked assets will be redeemed into your spot assets. Stake with one click. Earn potential new tokens now.
Okay, we just watched the tutorial, and as you can see, there's a staking pool for. Oh no, it's for Cyrus. I'm serious. So, um, yes. Now let's go back to our project. CYCON. CYCON is a project is centered around Ocean Dive, a decentralized storage solution based on blockchain technology, which rewards users with CYCON when they use the platform. CYCON is also used in the operation of World Art Expo and an NFT exchange for physical artworks using Ocean Dive, and in various games. The CYCON project is expanding the CYCON ecosystem by providing various services. Now, first, let's check their website. PSJ Global, unifying global storage with CYCON. So it's blockchain-based decentralized storage network. It is a service platform that collects worldwide storage by sharing the idle resources of the participants' personal computers. So through our distributed supercomputing platform, you can get the power to run large projects, files, and applications affordably. Give power to earn by sharing your personal computing resources. You become part of the person-to-person network where earning is easy. Join our ecosystem, become part of the PSJ Global network, and you can benefit from our current and future blockchain-based projects. So they also have a roadmap. Let's just check 2024 Q1 Ocean Dive desktop applications, second beta version released on CyCon mainnet. Ocean Dive Infura open beta version released. Q2 improved Ocean Dive upload download function. Marketplace installed in Ocean Dive. Ocean Dive grand opening. Ocean Dive Infura grand opening. And Q3 development of the Ocean Dive for PSG Edu and partner companies. Q4 economy system development using subsidiary and partner company cycle. So these are the CYCON's global news, external news, and these are the partners. Yes. Now, So this one is CYCON Explorer Shortcuts, PSJ Global Company Introduction, Business Profile. I assume this one is not the white paper, right? No, white paper is here. This one is Business Profile for CYCON. Let's fastly check this out. This is the CEO, PSJ SIM, core services, key features, distributed storage, global storage interrogation, content sharing, reward system. Okay. Let's check out the white paper. This is index, abstract, introduction. Let's start with introduction. Decentralized storage sharing protocols transform the economy from a storage provider-centric economy limited to centralized functions to a user-centric one based on the protocol. It not only improves storage security and privacy protection, but also eliminates data failure and risk factors. The CYCON ecosystem connects online and offline through Ocean Dive service, a protocol. Okay, just a minute. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, the CYCON ecosystem connects online and offline through Ocean Dive service, a protocol for trading computing resources, and provides a sustainable growth model. The architecture is suitable for the decentralized Web3 environment and protects and optimizes data better than existing structures. Decentralized storage sharing protocol CYCON plans to initially dominate the rapidly changing data market and achieve efficient growth through connection with the metaverse market. So market background, internal data corporation. Okay. Design CYCON in order to build a protocol for sustainable circulation and a global ecosystem. It is important to have definite requirements. There are many different ways to build decentralized storage sharing protocols, but to create the most efficient model, we consider the following requirements. Decentralization. Obviously, there are inherent risks in trusting any company or organization that holds a significant portion of the world's data. In reality, trusting a third party to store an individual's data carries an impact cost of risk. This is because the cost of services provided by data storage providers in an oligopoly includes development costs and operating costs of the provider's services. Therefore, we aim to solve the inherent risks and inefficient costs through a decentralized architecture and provide a comprehensive global decentralized storage system, ranging from archives to CDN. Users who own smartphones, desktops, and laptops around the world are potential users for our service. Most of the computing resources that small operators have are often wasted. However, most small operators are unable to utilize their remaining resources. This is because storage provision services require a huge amount of money and time. However, our service will provide them with ample benefits as an affordable and fast storage sharing service. Because storage is a fundamental infrastructure, it is designed to be cost-effective and sustainable, decentralized rather than monopolized by a few centralized storage entities. So design, CYCON, economics, public cloud storage is an attractive business model for large centralized cloud providers. The global public cloud service market is predicted to be approximately 724.5 billion in 2024. However, due to the nature of the public cloud storage model, it results in a high degree of centralization. For this reason, the major companies providing services have been narrowed down to about five around the world. We predict that decentralized storage can replace current decentralized cloud storage services. However, in order for partners and customers to adopt decentralized storage services, an environment that is advantageous in terms of economic efficiency and convenience must be established. Therefore, we want to provide an economic structure that is advantageous to the following three ecosystem participants. So this is the chart. And design CYCON 2, economics 2. End user, we will provide better service value to our users who use our services by providing appropriate object size, durability, security, and convenience. Node providers are those who work to build the CYCON ecosystem. We will provide them with reasonable compensation through a fair and transparent process to provide incentives to help them continue to expand the ecosystem. In particular, node providers will provide an incentive to maintain persistent connections as they influence various characteristics of the platform, such as availability, cost, and durability. An operator, in order to continuously expand the ecosystem through service development and advancement, operators must generate reasonable profits. The operator will not only charge lower fees for end users compared to traditional cloud services, but will also share the generated revenue with node providers in a fair process. Additionally, new features and changes for specific implementations of framework components will be tailored to the application cost and economic drivers for specific object storage cases. And let's check object size. To improve the service efficiency, we boldly divided node providers into two groups based on the scale of storage they provide. Demand groups that want to use decentralized storage services include individuals who mostly use small files and companies that require massive capacity. We provide individual services suited to the needs of each customer group. Security and privacy. Security. All object storage platforms, whether decentralized or centralized, must provide privacy and security for stored data. We have considered ways to mitigate the risks of providing data to untrusted storage nodes. Since traditional data access methods cannot be used, they must be designed from the ground up to provide improved security throughout the system, as well as end-to-end encryption. In particular, we apply data processing methods that take into account in the personal information processing laws of each country. However, since it's partially impossible to apply system protection to all information, we will provide transparent information to participants so that they can understand and have security. Now it's their framework. So, uh, the framework of the CYCON ecosystem performs the following functions. Data, the most basic element of the ecosystem. Data supports a variety of formatting. When an end user creates a pool to store data, the data is encrypted, uh, partitioned, and decentralized to network peers. At this time, metadata is created for backing up and downloading data. Data retrieval. When downloading data decentralized on a peer, nodes are tracked through metadata, and data is assembled and downloaded on the client's local machine. And data maintains to increase the durability of decentralized data. Data is maintained by being partitioned across various nodes. Payment is made through tokens to pay for data storage usage fees. We also provide valid and offline payment systems. So Ocean Dive, this is also another chart. Ocean Dive is a decentralized storage sharing service. Ocean Dive is provided for the purpose of sharing global storage assets. Through this service, users can easily and conventionally have a decentralized storage sharing environment. You can not only save your files through a highly secure platform, but also share and trade them with global users. Plus, you can earn rewards by renting out your own storage. And I will stop here and go back to their website because they have products. It's in Korean, so yes, it's in Korean. I can understand this one. Swap, what? Yes, yeah. This website is crashing unfortunately. And let's check Ocean Dive as well. Explore, share, and earn with Ocean Dive. So it also have guides and other stuff, but let's don't go deeper. Community, white paper, docs, Ocean Dive. Yes, they have all required documents here. And let's check token name. Token name is CYCON. And let's check their X account as well. So yes, we saw this one. And there's also voting. Um, they also gave us, I mean, retweet the Gate startups, Gate startup to Joel, as far as I know. So let's go back to white paper because we still have some information to give. So secure and decentralized. Let's check Ocean Dive features. Secure and decentralized storage, content sharing, exploration of shared assets, personal storage sharing. So Ocean Dive operates through a decentralized network of storage participants, enabling secure storage provision compared to centralized storage service providers. Data uploaded through Ocean Dive are decentralized and stored safely across multiple nodes. Additionally, the multi-node structure creates a secure and transparent environment where no single entity can control storage. So OceanDive allows global users to easily and conventionally share various files stored to multiple nodes according to user requests. In addition, we built a user-customized sharing environment by specifying the sharing scope according to customization. Exploration of shared assets: users can explore a variety of data provided by OceanDive's vast network. Users exploring data through metadata can view a variety of works stored in decentralized shared storage. This will act as a catalyst to activate data transactions between global users and develop into a huge content venue. Personal storage sharing: Ocean Drive users can develop as small operators by renting out their own storage. They can allocate the remaining storage of the hardware for use by other users and receive rewards for their contributions. This promotes ecosystem expansion and efficiency. So its architecture ecosystem: the Ocean Drive ecosystem is organized as follows. A. This software allows users conventionally interact with Ocean Drive services and runs based on the storage provider node. So storage provider users can participate as storage providers by providing their storage to the Ocean Dive platform. Users who provide storage receive rewards based on their contribution to the ecosystem. And content publishing users can not only store their data in the decentralized nodes, but also share it for free at data marketplace where global users can communicate. Users receive content advancement and rewards by sharing their contents. By downloading the Ocean Drive software, you can become a participation in the Ocean Drive ecosystem without any additional settings. Uh, yes. And Framework 3, Ecosystem of Ocean Drive. Storage provider nodes. Storage provider nodes are important components of the ecosystem that share large storage capacity to the ecosystem users. Storage provider nodes and trusted infrastructure resources that can upload, download, share files externally via API and JIP. JIP. Supplier nodes will receive compensation based on their contribution. To become a supplier node, they must sign a formal contract with PSG Global. The operator of Ocean Dive provider nodes manage nodes through the Linux-based command line interface to utilize virtual machines for hosting purposes. This gives them greater control and flexibility over storage resources within their network. So infrastructure is an element that allows ecosystem participants to create storage pools for their projects. When requesting the creation of a storage pool, the ecosystem sends requests to various storage providers and node providers, which additionally create appropriate storage pools. Gateway: Ocean Drive is specifically designed for integration with storage HTTP application programming interfaces. It serves as a bridge between existing storage ecosystem or application using HTTP AIP and the Ocean Drive network, and enables integration compatibility with various services. Ocean Drive Gateway provides connectivity with World Art Expo NFT, a trading platform for physical works of art. Additionally, as services continue to develop, we plan to expand various gateways that can be provided to more service providers. So, advantages and benefits of Ocean Drive. The advantages and benefits that ecosystem participants can gain through Ocean Drive, a global decentralized storage service, are as follows. Decentralized storage. The core of Ocean Drive is the centralized storage system. Unlike traditional storage systems that rely on a single centralized server, it operates a public decentralized network based on participating nodes. This gives users the following benefits: category, index, increased security, data structure decentralized across multiple nodes, reduces the risk of data loss or unauthorized access, and improves the user data security layer. Improve reliability. Data structure decentralized across multiple nodes does not affect data liquidity even if a problem occurs in some nodes. This improves the uh, of data distribution. Enhanced scalability, easy and fast network expansion is possible through the structure that dramatically lowers the market entry barriers so that you can become a storage provider with only a small storage space. Global storage unification, computing resources from users around the world enter the ecosystem through easy accesses. This progresses to the stage of global memory unification by securing massive storage resources. The global memory unification achieves the following benefits: category access to the diverse range of data, indexed through the global user pool exchanges between contents containing various cultures, languages, and perspectives occur, collaboration and knowledge exchange, network expansion through content collaboration and sharing of expertise. Inevitability develops into a huge community space for knowledge exchange. So once again, advantages and benefits of Ocean Drive. So the resilient Ocean Drive platform increases user convenience by seamlessly integrating authentication protocols between data. This achieves the following benefits: category, user-friendly experience, index the service structure which abstract complex protocols into a user-friendly manner, provides users with easy storage registration, data exploration, and management functions. Simplified data management enables simple data management without complex technical configuration or protocol processing. Okay, let's pass this. So Ocean Dive user process token economy Token information CYCON's ultimate goal is to improve the expensive economy of decentralized storage services by the spread of decentralized storage sharing platforms and to build an ecosystem where community participants can use the improved economic value to various places. So category token name CYCON, token ticker CYCON, contract address, token issue, it's 5 billion. World Art Expo NFT. World Art Expo is a decentralized NFT exchange based on physical artworks. Current NFT exchanges expose two major problems. One, centralized storage environment. Two, NFT contents not connected to real works. WAD is an NFT exchange that solves these problems and is the main user of CYCON. WAD is provided in a decentralized storage environment through Ocean Drive, which is the cornerstone of the CYCON ecosystem. Current NFT exchanges only store metadata of content through IPFC and provide the token URL by mapping the content URL stored in IPFC. This structure caused the problem that when the linked content information of IPFC was changed, the content information of the NFT changed. However, WAD not only solves these problems because it requires consciousness between nodes connected to the storage pool to decentralized storage, but also provides higher economic efficiency compared to the existing methods. NFT connected to real artworks. NFTs traded on WAD are assets linked to physical artworks. Existing NFTs simply trade contents. Because it consists of digital contents, it has no choice but to have a limited usage environment that can only be used in the online area. However, NFTs traded on WAD traded as assets linked to actual artwork. We are selling Hyun Ho Kyung, which is worth 100 billion won and equivalent to an actual national treasure level artwork as an NFT. Like this work, we plan to provide 5,000 to other artworks in NFT format. WAD can trade NFT through CYCON, and the base currency for all functions is CYCON. So click on economy. So there's also more information about WAD, but we don't need this today. Where tokens are used. Yes, where tokens are used. Dream ST is a part of the MetaCon project, one of the CyCon ecosystems. Dream CT is a service that helps many people realize their dreams by inheriting the spirit and wisdom of our ancestors from the past. In the past, our ancestors had a tradition of living by helping each other with difficult tasks, called Pumat. Dream ST is a blockchain-based game that merges the spirit and wisdom of our ancestors with the modern Lotto game. Just like the Lotto, it is a game where you can have to match 6 numbers out of 45 numbers. If you apply for general round more than 4 times, you will be given the right to apply for the golden round. Golden rounds are operated every other week and participants can participate only once a day so the Dream City eliminates speculative activities. The application method is based on a smart contract through blockchain so that forgery and falsification are impossible under any circumstances. In addition, JMCT winning numbers use the Dongheng Lottery's lotto numbers to prevent manipulation controversies in advance, providing a fair and trustworthy environment for participants. The foundation does not acquire a single CYCON coin used in GemCT. So this is also another chart of them. Where tokens are used, swap is a service provided. This one is swap migration. Swap is a service provided to expand the CYCON ecosystem, connecting Web3 industry services with various L1 and L2 mainnets. Is an essential demand in the current industry. No matter how sophisticated and ecosystem-oriented the platform is, the fewer entry points there are, the more inconvenient it will be for users. Cycon providers swap their services to solve these problems and improve ease of use of the services provided by the ecosystem. Ocean Drive, Metacon, DreamST, and World are Expo. Swap services currently supports Ethereum and Qyton networks, but plans to aim for connection between various L1 and L2 mainnets in the future. This one is another chart. So token usage, once again, CyCon is required to use decentralized storage. We not only designed it to the ecosystem economy to allow for sustainable growth, but also recognize that the ecosystem economy can fluctuate. Therefore, we encourage the use of appropriate tokens whenever the total ecosystem economic changes. We aim for lower cost efficiency than existing decentralized storage services, and will change reasonable decentralized storage service fees to reflect this. This is their math. I mean, below the formula, it's their formula for determining storage usage costs. Token rewards pool floats and expands dynamically according to variable based on phase setting. A key variable in the reward pool is capacity of the overall data pool provided. The reason why data pool capacity was selected as a variable is because it is the basic usage structure of the storage platform. Rewards are divided and provided to participating nodes according to uh, variables based on the size of the data forms. This is also another. This one is reward pool formula determining the size of. So this one is another formula. So we checked out their roadmap, and these are their partners. Security audits. Second project received security assurance for smart contracts and overall services for an external professional agency. We plan to keep NFT assets, tokens, and personal information safe through a security audit from a top-level security consulting agency. This one is smart contract. Okay, we don't need this. We were here. And disclaimer, a security audit report does not provide investment advice, suitability of your business model, or guarantee that your code is free from all bugs. This report is only used to discuss non-technical issues, in addition to the issues described in this report. There might be undiscovered issues such as main network faults. In order to create a secure smart contract, correction of discovered problems and sufficient testing are required. So these are the legal notices. Legal considerations, project info. Let's check this out as well. So the CYCON project team strives to achieve the goal of providing reasonable cost efficiency over the current centralized storage ecosystem and connecting with the offline. We have already identified user demand through raw data based on various services. We plan to build an optimal ecosystem through research and analysis based on over 50,000 usage data. We create an ecosystem where all users can use the storage market at a reasonable cost. The reason for all the unreasonable cost this system in unclear traffic usage fee, settlement method, and the monopolization of value by a few overly monopolized companies. We built an ecosystem that can grow sustainability by forming a huge decentralized storage platform based on a transparent cost structure and reward to participants based on ecosystem expansion. So transparent governance, the profit model of traditional Web2 based platforms is provider takes all, which means that all profits are distributed without reflecting the efforts of participants who contributed to liquidity creation and the profit structure following into the service. Additionally, because projects are mainly developed by administrators, users have little access to the services they are using. Instead, CYCON project participants share the profit from platform expansion and receive the true value of platform expansion. So these are the he's the developer of the development team leader Hong San Kil. So project manager Bali Jun. Uh, this one is back-end developer Aziz Islam Alisher. Okay, this is the team members. They are the team members. I'm sorry. Okay, that's it. We checked out their all um, white paper. Let's go back to this one. Yeah, there was also mainnet, a fast, secure, and affordable blockchain, PSG's private blockchain network, and answer to the limitations that come with using a public blockchain. These informations are about Ocean Drive. Ocean Drive is secure public decentralized storage. It means there is no centralized service that stores all the content. All content will be stored by Ocean Drive participants. As soon as a user connects the Ocean Drive network, his or computer will become an Ocean Drive network participant, and participants will choose which files to publish or store backup. Content publishers and storage providers will be rewarded by the network participants. All actions and transactions that occur on the Ocean Drive network will be stored in the PSJ Global private blockchain, meaning all actions and transactions are immutable and secure. So we still have 15 minutes. Let's continue. Storage stores data separately instead of storing all data on the centralized server. Eliminates need for cloud storage. Marketplace peer-to-peer marketplace, meaning unique products, worldwide assets, and increased availability of product. So business opportunity for all users, rewards by sharing your personal idol, resources, and published private content. Software development. Ocean Drive was built for developers, so if you are building an application and NFT marketplace for anything in between, your APIs and CDKs will provide you with powerful features. Let's see. Oh, they also have a video.
이것은 시작부터 다른 플랫폼. 목적은 없었습니다.
It's in Korean, so it's there. Say auto translate. Let's check. Yeah.
주어진 세계의 의문을 가졌을 뿐. 우리는 사람과 데이터의 만남이 더 쉽게, 더 자주, 하지만 안전하게 일어나야 한다고 생각합니다. 오션 드라이브가 선도하는 탐색, 공유, 보상의 새로운 밸류 체인.
Okay, they still don't have subtitles. Let's check. Auto translate.
여러분은 지금 디지털 트랜스포메이션의 새로운 중심에 있습니다. 내가 중심이 되는 솔루션. 나에게 쉽고 나에게 유용한, 동시에 누구라도 언제라도 함께하는 스토리지. 탈중앙화, 안정성, 융합과 확장의 패러다임을 가장 매력적인 보상으로 구현한 오션 드라이브. 데이터 환경에 새겨진 신뢰를 바탕으로 고객의 성공적인 디지털 혁신을 가속화합니다. 오션 드라이브는 안전한 공용 분산형 스토리지입니다. 사용자는 개인 데이터를 안전하게 백업하여 안정성과 가용성을 확보할 수 있고, 다양한 공유 자산을 발견하고 탐색할 수 있어 사용자 간의 원활한 파일 공유 및 협업을 촉진, 생산성과 효율성을 높일 수 있습니다. 콘텐츠 발행자는 오션 드라이브 네트워크를 통해 아이템을 배포, 더 많은 사용자들에게 도달하여 보상을 받을 수 있으며, 사용하지 않는 저장 공간을 네트워크 참가자에게 제공하여 자신의 기여에 대한 정당한 보상을 사이콘으로 분배받습니다. 이렇듯 비싼 중앙 집중식 저장 솔루션과는 달리 비용의 효율성 또한 높였습니다. 오션 드라이브는 덱스포 NFT 프로젝트와 통합되어 발행된 디지털 아트웍 및 수집품을 안전하게 보관할 스토리지 솔루션을 제공하는 등 다양하게 활용됩니다. 이를 위해 모든 정보와 디지털 자산에 대하여 블록체인 기반의 최고의 보안과 안정성을 부여하고, 사용자 제어 액세스 및 종단 간 암호화를 통해 신뢰할 수 있는 사용자의 액세스만을 허용합니다. 데스크탑 플랫폼이 아이덴티티를 갖는다는 것. 오션 드라이브는 견고한 디지털 생태계 속에서 함께하는 가치를 만들어갑니다. 오션 드라이브를 통해 개인은 안전하고 편리하게 데이터를 백업하고, 유휴 저장 공간을 제공하여 네트워크 참가자로부터 보상을 받을 수 있습니다. 확장성과 신뢰성 기반의 네트워크를 통해 콘텐츠 공유 및 탐색은 물론 사용자 간 협업으로 다양한 기회를 만들어갑니다. 기업은 분산 스토리지 솔루션을 통해 서버비 절감은 물론 재난 및 사고 발생 시 데이터 손실 없이 정보 자산에 대한 최고의 보안과 안정성을 확보할 수 있습니다.
Okay, just give me a second. Let me see if they do have the English version of that video, because promotional video. Yes, they do. Oh my god, thank God. Let's check this out.
From the outset, this was a different platform with no predetermined purpose, just questioning the given world. We believe in making the intersection of people and data easier, more frequent, and more secure. Ocean Drive leads the way. Innovative value chain of exploration, sharing, and rewarding. Right now, you are at the new center of digital transformation. The solution centered around me. Easy for me, useful for me. Yet the storage for anyone, anytime. The paradigm of decentralization, stability, convergence, and expansion, implemented with the most compelling rewards by Ocean Drive. Based on the trust ingrained in the data environment, Ocean Drive accelerates customers' successful digital innovation. Ocean Drive is a secure, communal, distributed storage solution. Users can securely back up personal data to ensure stability and availability. Discover and explore a wide range of shared assets, facilitating seamless file sharing and collaboration between users to increase productivity and efficiency. Content publishers can distribute their items through the Ocean Drive network, reaching more users and earning rewards. By offering unused storage space to network participants, content publishers receive fair rewards in CYCON for their contributions. This enhances cost efficiency, unlike expensive centralized storage solutions. Ocean Drive is integrated with the Dexpo NFT project to provide a secure storage solution for published digital artwork and collectibles, among other uses. We do this by ensuring that all information and digital assets are blockchain-based with the highest security and reliability, and that only trusted users have access through user-controlled access and end-to-end encryption. The desktop platform has its identity. Ocean Drive creates shared value in a robust digital ecosystem. Ocean Drive enables individuals to securely and conveniently back up data and receive rewards from network participants by offering idle storage space. A scalable and reliable network creates opportunities for content sharing and exploration, as well as collaboration among users. Companies can ensure the highest level of security and stability for their information assets, while saving on server costs and preventing data loss in case of disasters or incidents through a distributed storage solution. Core message of the Web3 environment: fair rewards for activities and efforts in the digital ecosystem. The more participants, the better rewards through CYCON. The values you cherish fuel the PSJ Global ecosystem's growth momentum. Technology connecting people. Imagination linking technology. Future where imagination connects imagination. The PSJ Global ecosystem merges people, technology, and the future. Ocean Drive. The infinite value of the hyper-connected era we create together with you.
That was a really interesting video. So we actually finished it. I gave you all information that I could give you guys. So let's talk about once again the startup mining. Yes, startup mining benefits in Gate.io. So after that, I can finish my stream. So Gate.io's new avenues for growth and opportunities, especially for anyone looking to support and invest in early stage projects. I'm talking about startup mining on Gate.io, obviously. Let's go over why this is something you should know about it and consider participating in if you are in the crypto space or looking to get into it. So imagine this, you get to access promising new crypto projects before they officially launch or hit the big exchanges. That's right. Startup mining allows you to jump in early on projects with tons of potential even before the masses know about them. So it's really beneficial. With what does this mean for you? It means the change to buy tokens at a discounted rate, allowing you to maximize your potential gains if project takes off, and we all know that getting in early can be a game changer. So, actually, there's more to it. Gate.io sweetens the deal by offering rewards for participating in these startup mining events. Yep, the rewards. These might come in the form of token airdrops, exclusive bonuses, or sometimes even staking rewards. So not only you are supporting the project, but if you are also getting something back, which is fantastic way to build your own portfolio with potential high growth tokens. So one thing that really stands out about startup mining on Gate.io is how accessible it is. I know a lot of people feel like they don't have enough capital to invest in early stage projects, or that they might miss out if they are not a higher roller. But with Gate.io startup, you don't have to invest a huge amount. This gets it on these opportunities. So you can start small. This is democratizing the investment process, giving everyone from newcomers to seasoned investors a chance to be part of these projects. It's a truly inclusive, um, inclu yes, which I think is awesome because it levels the playing field. Now let's talk about security. I know that some of you are thinking early stage projects can be risky. So I always say that during my project reviews. And you are absolutely right to think that. But here's the thing, Gate.io with the project that go into startup mining, they do due diligence, making sure these projects are legitimate and have potential. While there is no guarantee of success, Gate.io takes step to without potential bad actors, which can give you a bit more peace of mind when you are investing something new. Let's not forget the community angle here. Startup mining isn't just about getting in early, it's also about joining a growing community around the project. You are not just a passive investor, you get to engage with project teams, offer feedback, and actually play a role in helping shape the project's future. This community involvement strains the ecosystem, helps with project adoption, and can even impact the project's direction. Imagine being part of something from the ground up and seeing it grow. Mm, Finally, there's a flexibility here as well. Depending on the project, you might have options to stake different tokens, giving you more control over participation. So if you are more comfortable staking a specific token, or you have got a strategy that works better with one over another, Ethereum startup mining lets you choose your approach. This flexibility reduces some of the risk because you are staking with what you are comfortable with. So let's wrap it up. Now, startup mining on GateHire isn't just another feature, it's an entry point to project with massive potential, a way to earn rewards and an opportunity to join community from the very start. Whether you are a seasoned investor or new crypto, it's definitely worth checking out if you are interested in the part of the new next wave of projects. And this one as well, the CYCON is also a startup mining project, so you can trade or stake your tokens here. So I wish you uh, luck and prosperity. I also don't forget to check out my posts um, about Halloween event. And that's it, guys, for today. Thank you for watching. Actually, that's not the finish. I will also do another project review after this one. And see you in a while.